Hi, 8th grade remote students. This is Miss Kerr, and I am pretending to be a student in Miss Ludwig's class. So you can see up here, this is Miss Ludwig's class. This should work for any of your science classes, though. Okay, so I am trying to submit the Chem 3 digital notes. So you would have previously opened your document, you make a copy. Now, what you might want to do is rename it so that it's easy to find. So maybe you change this to your name in front, maybe. So I'm going to type in Kate Kerr, Intro to Chem, Digital Lab Notebook Chem 3. If you want to shorten it, you could take all of this out and shorten it. So even if you have typed already on your notes, you can still go into it and change your name, change the name to it, so maybe it's a little easier to find. All right, so if you haven't done your typing yet, here, let me do some typing. Hi, Miss Ludwig. This is a test run. Okay. So you can have that document open. You can be changing it as many times as you want. When you're finished with it, you hit submit assignment. Now, probably the way in my other video, this may not have worked, the Google Drive way. Selecting a file that way, you can kind of search for it. If that doesn't work, if it says the domain is incorrect or whatever, you need to come over to this Google Doc tab. All right, now this is a little confusing because you have all of your Google Drive folders here. All right. So I am looking for Kate Kerr Chem 3. And it may or may not be in a folder. So that's what's kind of tricky about it. It is in my personal folder, which, it's not in my personal folder. Personal is just, it has a drop down. Sorry. It is at the end of my folder. So if you look right here, right, these are all folders that have things in them in my drive. Well, it is the first thing at the end of my folder. See Kate Kerr Chem 3. And then you just highlight it with gray and you hit submit assignment. It takes a minute and then it gives me confetti that I've submitted my assignment. Okay. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher, but I think that way should really work. So when you go to submit the file, again, go to the end of your folders. I think if you rename your assignment so it's easier to find also, that's going to be better, because right now it says copy of, and you may have copies of a lot of things in your drive, right? All right. Hope that helps, everyone. Have a good week.